Hello everyone. Today we're bringing you a compilation of intense moments on the road. We'll witness how quickly things can go wrong and the importance of paying attention while driving. We will see the speed, the risk, and the lesson of caution on these roads. Wow. Thankfully, this is just a scene from a movie. If this happened in real life, it would definitely be a disaster. Wow. 1 second of not paying attention, and this happens. A multi-vehicle crash. This is a very expensive lesson for the car driver. Make sure to always pay attention, especially at night. Oh my God, that container truck was flying like an arrow without any sign of slowing down. Thankfully, no one was injured in the collision. This driver's reckless speeding and overtaking not only violates traffic laws, but also puts their own life and the lives of those around them in danger. A truly reprehensible act of recklessness.
Connecting to All-Star Emergency.
Do you think his method is enough to extinguish the fire? Leave a comment below and let me know. Do you think water caused this sinkhole? Indeed, the burst water pipe eroded the ground and led to this incident. Thankfully, all the bus passengers are safe. Just a close call. Maintain your alertness and focus while driving, as even a brief lapse can result in an unavoidable crash.
In front.
Sometimes, if both sides just slowed down a little and yielded, the collision could have been avoided.
Hey, watch this guy, eh?
Dude, the guy's real.
I wonder what that SUV driver was in such a hurry for, risking it all to run a red light. All for saving a minute. And look at the huge price they're paying now.
Yeah. In the truck or in the car by there. Fucking hell!
看到他这里的意思，指的肩膀示意他出去，而且肚子。
This is the price you pay for not keeping a safe distance. Isn't it true that sometimes there's a blessing in disguise? After the crash, the white car driver ran away.
And Jenny, you have been reporting out of, so just looking at put that.
I don't understand the actions of that black car driver. Why cut in front of another car and cause a collision? After this situation, you understand why motorcycles are banned on highways, right? The high speed and risk of accidents are too great. That red car driver did not look before changing lanes. At highway speeds, that is a recipe for disaster. It was due to the girl mixing up the gas and brake pedals. Fortunately, she had her seatbelt on, so she was unharmed.
어허, 아이고야.
So now you see just how powerful the wind can be, don't you?
Oh my god! Are you okay?
That was a real heart-stopping moment. Luckily, he escaped danger by a hair's breadth.
My God.
Overtaking carelessly is against the law, and the black car driver has paid a costly price for their wrong decision. Do you know what it feels like to be helpless? This is a prime example. When you try, but can't do anything to stop the car on a slippery snow-covered road. Trains pull hundreds of tons. Don't be stupid enough to challenge it with your car. The end result will be bad for you. Oh my God, the white car was flying like an arrow, then completely lost control. Thankfully, the driver is safe. Everyone's claiming they're right after the crash. Who do you think is at fault? Comment below and tell me your thoughts. This is real-life transporter stuff, not like the movies.
Владик!
Even though the driver anticipated the situation and tried to avoid it, they still couldn't escape the collision. So now you see the reason why trucks are not allowed in the city, don't you? It seems like traffic laws need to add a special priority clause for these residents.
Dressed.
No.
He was in the
He said, so you weren't in the garage. Yes, I weren't.
Here, I got one.
And my whole
Just a moment of drowsiness, and the driver paid a heavy price. Don't let this happen to you. Always ensure you're mentally alert before hitting the road. This motorcyclist was intentionally provoking the car driver by riding slowly in front of them. But then, the outcome was satisfying for everyone. A lesson learned for that bad joke.
Whoa, chill.
That was a real heart-stopping moment. Luckily, he reacted quickly and avoided an accident. I don't know how the people inside the car are, but the bystanders must be shaking too.
Give more than that. They're willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge. So an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Tyone from the Cubs. Wilson Contreras from the Cardinals. So
Who do you think is at fault here? Let me know your opinions in the comments below. In this chain reaction accident, the red car driver is sure to have a substantial compensation to pay. A dog driving. You've got to be kidding me. These two guys think they're on a racetrack or what, speeding like bullets. This kind of reckless speeding and overtaking definitely needs a heavy penalty.
Here is going this way. I thought it was like colliding like that. And then it starts creating like jump.
Oh my god.
He didn't even need the police to chase him. He just caught himself. The wheel decided to strike, leaving the driver helpless. A bold and passionate kiss. Unfortunately, it's between two cars, not lovers. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the content useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting upcoming videos. See you in the next video.